Hey guys, Lloyd Tack of CoverallAutoRestoration.com. That's Coverall Auto Restoration. You can see all this work there at my website too. But today I'm going to show you spot weld removal, and I know everybody's done that, but this is in a tough area to get to. I'm going to show you a little trick I use to find them. So let's spin around. This is a 69 Camaro Z28 that we're doing right now, an original owner car. I've done quite a bit of patchwork on it that you can see at the website also how that's done. But spot welds, for example, here's an obvious spot weld. This inner tub has been removed. You can also see that on another post I did here on YouTube, or video I guess you'd say. But this is obviously a spot weld, but there's some here that you can't see. This and this are trim screw holes. They're not pre-drilled for spot welds. So what I do in this case, as you can see back here, I've gotten a screwdriver behind that panel and pulled it out. That bent area shows you the top of the spot weld, so that one's obvious. Now down here, like I said, this hole was from trim originally, and you can't see the spot weld area because someone has done work here before. What I do in that case is I take a putty knife, pretty stiff one, and I use this thing for everything. And I get that behind the panel, if we can see here, and then bend and beat it down to that point. It's bent out, and that's showing me right there is the top of a spot weld. By this can't go any farther. So right here is the top of a spot weld, where I'll pre-drill an 1/8 inch hole, as you see here, and then use this. That's a carbide cutter with a spring tip, which are made to drill out spot welds without holes, but I've always put the hole in. That centers that. And I tell you what, I've cut out thousands of spot welds, and this is the tool you want. Them cheap ones you see that's one piece, they're worthless. This bit will probably do hundreds of spot welds before it goes bad. This one came from Kimball, Midwest. I know they make them, you know, through many different companies, but that's where I got this. So that's how I find them when it's a hard place to get to like this. These, when you remove them, like here you see on the back of the car, they're obvious. Easy to get to, easy to see. Same with this. These were removed through the outer wheelhouse that's being discarded, and these will be drilled out for the new spot welds that'll be welded from behind, like you see here on this finished wheelhouse that I put in. Like I said, there's a video of that being done here. And in this case, this had quarter panels put on it. I'm guessing back in the 80s, 70s, because they're actual GM panels. And I didn't want to remove them, so that other video shows you how to put that in without removal of a quarter panel. so I won't get into that. But that's a little spot weld trick to get at. Always try to save the panel, like say this whole lip, I was able to remove that without hurting this quarter panel lip by doing it from behind. Same as here. I hope that shows you a little trick. I don't know if anybody's ever showed that before, but that's how I get at them. Like I said, you can see all this work at coverallautorestoration.com, picture by picture. Thanks for watching.